Now this is the image that I have used. Now let's remove the style here, and this is the scene, this is the subject. Now let's understand how this works without a prompt. Okay, so without prompt it's look like this. Yes, use this prompt or the subject. Let's refine it and change cloth to a professional suit. Now let's enter. I'm changing basically the cloth of me, looking that much good here. Okay, now it's look good, better, and I don't like the background of my image. I think I have to remove it. Let's change the background to white. Let's run it. You can see all the history appear here. I think it's not working here. Now click here, change the background to white. Now let's see. Will it work? No, it's totally not working. Change the background to white. I think I have put it in the wrong direction, because these are the details and these are the prompt where we want to change it. Yes, now it's done. Yes, perfectly fine. Now let's, oh, I mistakenly click this arrow. Let's not use that. Okay, now let's run it with the image. A grand mortar, nope, no French beetle, nope, curve photo spider spinning with web, nope. These are the details that is roll up dice doing in the prompt section is playing with me. Now let's change, make appear the subject into the scene, speaking and smiling. Now let's run it. Let's see, the precision is good. Yes, but it's not okay. Make the appear speaking appearance, keep the face structure same. Let's run it. Let's see what we will get. Yes, now it's look very good, totally amazing, right? I like this one. Same, smiling. No, it's not. It's laughing, right? Let's not use uh keep the pace and structure same. Now let's add a not smile. Let's use this and smile generate. Let's see what we will get. I'm refining this particular image. Nope, it's not working at all. And now let's download this image and use Google Banana. Go to Google Gemini. Now let's go to Google Gemini and use this image that we have downloaded and add here. Run a simple prompt that can you change the smile to little small. It's looking like laughing, but I want it to be a little of less. Let's run it. I don't know if I am using a correct prompt here. I'm just using Nano Banana because it's actually understand our layman language. That's what it's get, right? Yes, it's good. And let's download this and see the magic happen. This is what Google Banana understand. It uses our image and recreate it with the layman language. It's not like understand the high professional prompting language. It's just good. Yes, we so I can use this in my profile picture now. It looks amazing. So you can use it, and you can use Nano Banana, that is Google Gemini Flash mode, and you can add text here. Anything you wanted, you can do so. Now let's add a text here. Understand, and now let's add text bold 3D glowing Google Whisk. Now let's refine it. But I think at some point in the character generation with the text, it might break at some point. But yes, clapping. I loved it. I actually loved it. The way it's generated the image, it's really amazing. Google Whisk. I loved it. Let's download this. Yes. So this is how Google Whisk work. Now let's use a skeleton here. Skeleton. Now let's create an image here. Now remove the scene.